taking a random video trying, and I've been craving for this almost a month now. It says original made in Dubai. I don't know if this is authentic or something, but I really like it. Packaging is so cute. Bakit ako nag-English? Deserve ko to. Paka-cute! Diba? Okay. Can you hear it? Oh. Can you hear that? First bite. Sobrang worth it. Staples may Dubai chocolate. Alam mo kung ano yung nakaka-addict dito? Nasa loob, yung crunch, and yung pistachio. Grabe, ang sarap. The chocolate itself is kinda like normal. Ang nakaka-addict sa kanya yung nasa loob. Kumain niyo ako sa cravings ko. It's so good. Meron din ditong booster juice. Starbucks. Too much sugar. Hindi ko nabasa. Happy Dubai. Water tayo. Excuse me. Thank you, Lord. That's it. Thank you guys for watching. See you on my next cravings.